Hey lovelies, welcome back to yet another cooking episode, and today's recipe is all about porridge. So with me here I have my plate, my bowl, that is my pan, my cooking pot, sufuria. Then we have our flour here. Before anything else, I will first bring my water to boil. Add 2 cups here of this. Like so. Then let's head over and place this on fire. So as our water is heating, on this end I will be preparing our flour. So I will add 5 spoons full. 1, 2, 3, 4, like so. Go in with some water, cold water. Then slowly by slowly I will stir or stir to form a thick paste. Add more water. Like so. So we will give our water time to heat, then we will go in with our paste. Our water is hot enough. Let's go add this. Then we will use our wooden spoon to stir. Just stir vigorously till it starts to boil. So at this point we will reduce our heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes. If you like milk, then add your milk and sugar at this point. So I will add 3 spoons of sugar. Give it a stir. Then let it cook. And just like that, our porridge is ready. So let's serve and enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscription button down below. Very hot. Thank you for watching till the end. Enjoy.